Hi everybody. Today I'm going to teach about ecosystem because last time I promised that I would teach about science. So today I'm going to teach about part 1 first. Part 2 I'm going to do in like tomorrow or like that. So let's get started. Sorry. Ecosystem. Oh, wait. Okay. Ecosystem. What is ecosystem? So as you can see, I have a question before I teach you. So after I teach you, there's no quiz today, but you should comment down below what is ecosystem. Let me explain. Ecosystem is like nature, you know? The ecosystem is like nature. It's a system like food chain, how animals use each other to get food and be alive and not extinct. That's called ecosystem. There's also like a thing around you, surrounding that's our nature, like dirt, like stones, like pool, like not pool, it's river, yeah, like that. That's one of the ecosystem. It's actually very big. So I couldn't actually explain it all, but today I'm only gonna explain one part of ecosystem. So let's get started. So in this picture you can see that there's animals and also sun. It is one they didn't actually explain quite why there's a sun, but I'm going to explain it in the way that my teacher explained. So plant the plant have photosynthesis, which is like how you make, the leaf is like green. So the leaf are green because of photosynthesis, it's chlorophyll. I think you guys all know this, and I don't know if you know the theory of it, but I'm going to write it down. So it's CO2, which is carbon dioxide, and then light from sun. But now there's a lot of fake light, making light and water. Then it turns to glucose. Glucose is C6H12O6. And sucrose is like brown sugar. It's 612H22O11, but I'm not writing it down, okay? And it also get us when you are under the tree in like daytime, you like feel fresh because there's oxygen, and they actually use carbon dioxide and turn it to oxygen. It's very very cool for me. So yeah, let me just explain other things like food chain. So photosynthesis, then they also gave us glucose. Glucose is like sugar, they give energy. So grasshopper, which is yeah, right. So what called what? So this one animal that eat meat is called carnivore. Animal that eat plants is called herbivore. Tips. Herb is plants. Animal that eat both is called omnivore, and last but not least, the decomposer is like bacteria that decompose dead flesh of living things or dead plant or bones. So when you come here, grasshopper eat plant. They are herbivore. Mouse eat grasshopper, which is animal, and which is meat. So mouse is carnivore, and this is also carnivore, and this is also carnivore. But you may be asking, then what is omnivore? Omnivore is in food web. So it's like, so what is food web? It's like complex food chain, So you just think about this, okay? Store is like food chain, then mall is filled with store. So when there's a lot of store, there's can cross over, and they can both eat meat and plant at the same time, but there's yeah. Wait, sorry. So let me just go here. So the rats. The rat. Oh wait. Wait, what? Does now that? Oh. So the rats and like this is carnival. So yeah, this is carnival. This is carnival. And this is carnival. And then this one didn't actually have the decomposer in it, which is odd because in nature they actually have decomposer. After the eagle are dead or they get killed, which this one didn't have. So I mean they are dead. And usually in the real nature and wolf, it's when the eagle that are like dead, the eagle or dead fungi break down the body and turn them into nutrients. But this one they didn't actually have the pictures, just five. Oh, it's actually right. So I already explained also and also this. And another tips, I want this video to be short, so I'm not gonna explain it long, but tips. I don't know if you ever seen this plant. It's very cool. That's more of this, but it's like others one, but this one is actually very famous because here these spikes it look like teeth, and a lot of like horror film use it to kill a lot of things. So they actually eat meat, which is very asking. Is that only or wait, what is that? Producer, consumer, or what? They actually eat insects because they need nitrogen. Okay? I actually have proof too, but yeah, we'll link it down below. So this is what the ecosystem divided to. So that today I'm teaching you about biotic factors. Biotics I am not teaching today. So there will be producer, consumer, and decomposer. Producer is like plants because they make the energy. They are the source. But when you were in exam, okay, when they ask what is the source of energy, and if there's sun, you gotta answer sun. I don't know about the test, but mine's if you answer sun, it will be right. So yeah, but produce is like plant because they have photosynthesis. And consumer is like the eater, and then divided by herbivore and like that. Also, this one is actually like if you didn't learn about this one, can't yeah you gotta know about the food pyramid. I will explain it in the next video. Then the decomposer is like bacteria or fungi or something like that. And in the food chain, you can actually make like the this too, which I actually made it by pen, so you can see it. Yeah, it's very cool. So also in the next video, I'll teach you about energy pyramid, food web, and 10% rules, and some quiz because this video they are not they are no quiz. and and there's some quiz because in this video I didn't actually have any quiz for you guys, which is like a bummer. But in the next video, there's also quiz about the lesson that you learned in this video. So gotta understand. Bye.